Hello friends, this is Ramna. Today I will show demo on how to run multiple SQL scripts at once in SQL Server. Okay, so here there are 6 ways to run the multiple scripts in SQL Server. So first one is, so we can use in a SSMS with go command. Go command in SSMS. Okay. So second one, so we can run multiple SQL files together with SQL command. .SQL files together using SQLcmd utility. Okay. Third one, using one master script to call all others. To call all other scripts. Okay. So coming to fourth one. So run multiple scripts by using T-SQL Dynamic Execution. Multiple scripts by using T-SQL Dynamic Execution. Okay. So fifth one. So using SSIS executor by using EXECUTE SQL tasks. In SSIS. Last one is using PowerShell for batch execution. PowerShell for batch execution. So we can run multiple scripts by these 6 ways. So using go command in SSMS, .SQL files by using SQL utility. Okay, by using one master script to call remaining SQL scripts. So writing is T-SQL Dynamic SQL execution. Okay, and using execute SQL task in SSIS, and lastly PowerShell. So here, what is the multiple scripts here? So I will tell what is the multiple scripts to execute. So first one, I want to create one database. Create one database. Okay. Next, I am using the database. This is the second script. Next, create table in the above database. Okay. So insert data. Inserting the data in the above table. And finally, selecting the table after inserting the data. So there are 5 scripts. So first create database and use the database, and create table in the database, insert the data in the above table, and select the table. So I want to execute all these 5 scripts at one time. So in this demo I am using go command how to execute the multiple scripts in SSMS. Okay. So here I am using master database. So as per the first I want to create one database. Create database, and my database name is HR database. This is my database. Okay. Right now, if you see the database here, so here there is no HR database. Healthcare master model, MSDB, TempDB. These are all system databases. So AdventureWorks, healthcare, sample, so World Cup, sports, test world. So there is no HR database here. Now I am creating HR database first as part of the multiple scripts. This is the command to create HR database. So here you can use just go HR database go. Okay. So script for creating database. Okay. Next, I want to enter into database. So instead of selecting the after creating the database, you need to select the database on the left top. Okay. So instead of doing this, I am using use database. Use my database name. That means use my healthcare database, HR database. Okay. Entering into database. This is the script. Use HR database. Okay. Next, you can write go. Okay. Next, create the table. This is the third script, creating a table in HR database. Okay. You can write create statement. Create table. So my table name is EMP. Okay. So here I am giving EMP ID integer with primary key. Okay. Next, EMP name varchar with length. Okay. And next, department EMP DEPT. EMP DEPT with same varchar length with 20. So this is my third script. Just write go. Okay. And insert the data. It is my fourth script. Inserting the data into the table. What is the table name? EMP. Okay. Insert into my table name with EMP values. So I am inserting one record. Okay. So I am giving ID. So name. Next, department. Okay. So I am inserting one record in the EMP table. So which is there in the HR database. So I am giving go. Okay. Now finally I want to retrieve the data. Retrieving the data from the table. So what is the command? Select star from EMP. EMP is my table, and finally go. So this is first one, the second one, third, fourth, fifth. 5 scripts are ready. Now I need to execute the data. Before that, I am just removing HR to EMP database. Okay. So here also I am removing EMP. Once again, make sure in my database there is no EMP database. See, there is no EMP database. I am using here on the left side top corner you see master database. So here I am executing all scripts at once. See, finally you got the record. What is our last script is select star from EMP. Now go and check. See, automatically it will change. Earlier by default it is master. I am executing these scripts by keeping the master database as it is. Now after executing all these scripts, this database is automatically changed. That means this script EMP database, all these scripts are successfully created. So first one is EMP database, creating database, using database, and creating the table EMP under EMP database. Okay, inserting the data and selecting the data. We are inserting only one record, and you will see that record details. Now, if you expand the EMP database here, expand the databases, you can see only one table in the EMP database. So here EMP database, and under tables you can see just EMP, one table. See, one table dbo.emp. So by this way you can execute multiple scripts with single go command in SSMS. So for remaining also we can do all this, but go command in SSMS is the easiest way to run multiple scripts compared to other files. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.